Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on how you can get a business line of credit from $1,000 to $500,000 with Lendio. And bad credit with Lendio is okay. So if you are interested in content such as this for credit, all walks of life of credit, bad credit, in between credit, pristine credit, and if you need information to also build your credit, you will find it on my channels. Um, I have my personal channel and a business channel that helps with learning how to leverage business lines, different ways to make money, and different ways to use lending to reach your goals, no matter what type of walk of life you're currently in with your credit journey. So, if you like this kind of content, give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, Lendio, basically, what they have, they also are helping businesses with PPP loans currently, first and second rounds. I will be bringing some information about that later on, but they are offering a loan amount and lines of credit from $1,000 to $500,000, and they have loan terms from 1 year to 2 years. Also, they have interest rates as low as 8% to 24%. And their funding time on average, they're saying, is as soon as 1 to 2 weeks. Now, they also offer what's a flexible financing. So, with businesses, what you want with a line of credit, many a times is different. A line of credit is much different than a credit card. A line of credit is an open line where you can have access constantly with your either business to have working capital, and you can make a withdrawal on these lines of credit to access that cash to continue to keep your business going or to expand your business. And it's almost like a financial safety net for your business to have access to this line of credit. So think of a line of credit as a financial safety net for your business. It's there if you need it, but if you're under no obligation to use it. And when you do tap into it, you can use it to cover almost any small business need. Plus, you may pay interest on the funds you use, not the full amount. In other words, it's as flexible as a double jointed yoga teacher. So that is what their selling points is for this business line of credit. Now, one thing that is interesting about their business lines of credit that they're offering is easy for you to qualify for these, even if you have low credit scores. And we're going to dive into the information. And they're telling you here at the checkpoints what is a business line of credit. And as I explained, a business line of credit is a financial safety net for your business. It's also one of the most flexible forms of financing. You can use it to buy equipment, hire staff, increase your inventory, and add a second location, paying invoices, installing a cappuccino machine, and more. And because a line of credit is revolving, you can use it as many times as you want. As soon as you repay what you use, those funds become available to you again. Now, here's their qualification and their application details. Qualifying and applying for your line of credit is pretty easy. To get your business line of credit, you typically need to be in business for at least 6 months. That's very minimal, and have 50,000 or more in annual revenue, and that's a pretty low bar. If you have a business and for annual revenue, you guys, that is actually not bad at all. You also need a credit score of 560 or higher, and that is beyond that is beyond subprime credit. That is really subprime credit as their requirements, because normally uh good credit score is beginning at a 680. So they really have a lower bar for what a credit score from one of the founding members can be for your business to actually access this line of credit. Your lender may ask you to make a personal guarantee, which is an agreement that the lender may be able to leverage your personal assets, such as a car, a house, a or bank account, if you default on your line of credit. So they will be asking for a personal guarantee. So you want to make sure, if you are getting this line of credit for your business, that you manage it and you make sure that you do not default, because it can open you personally to have your assets to be levied. So keep that in mind. Applying is easy. Fill out the 15-minute application, then compare your business lines of credit options from 75 lenders. So they basically take your information and they will shop your information to other lenders to find you this line of credit. You pay interest on the funds you use, not the whole thing. One of the coolest things about a business line of credit is that you only pay interest on the funds you use, not the full amount. For example, if you're approved for a $40,000 business line of credit, you use $20,000 for your office upgrades. You just pay interest on the $20,000. This could save you a bundle of interest. See, pretty cool, huh? So that is one of their options with Lendio. Um, they also have an advantage where you're not really boxed in. You are they're bringing offers to the table from various of lenders, but just keep in mind that this is a way for you to access a business line of credit and working capital for your business. But you want to be very careful, because they will be asking for a personal guarantee. If you are currently a business owner and you have things like 401ks from a current job, this might be a part-time business that you have, or if you're a homeowner, you have assets or money in your own personal bank account, this can open you up for liability, because even if you have that business in an LLC, a S corp, for limited liability protection, they will be having you to personally guarantee that this line of credit will be paid back. So I hope this is informational. If you have any further questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Also, I have, like I said, 2 channels. Those links will be in the description. Make sure you subscribe to the channels so you can get the notifications anytime I upload content such as this. And also, if you are a person with a lot of hard inquiries, I had a client that he had 740 credit score, but because he had 10 to 11 hard inquiries, he was not able to get approved for credit. So we offer free hard inquiry removal letters at our website. So you can get that at the description below. I hope this information is helpful, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.